Привет всем! Сегодня в этом выпуске мы поговорим с иностранцами, покажем им фотографии казахстанских мужчин-знаменитостей. Иностранцы постараются угадать, из какой же они страны. А чтобы поощрить иностранцев, мы предложим им 20 фунтов. То есть, если иностранец хотя бы одного казахстанца угадает, скажет, допустим, вот этот чувак из Казахстана, то есть, если он угадает, то мы дадим ему 20 фунтов. Так что поехали! В общем, я сейчас нахожусь в Эдинбурге, и на улицах этого славного города я буду опрашивать иностранцев. И покажу им фотографии тех самых казахстанских знаменитостей. Ну и тот счастливчик, который угадает хотя бы одного казахстанца, он получит 20 фунтов в подарок. Вот они, 20 фунтов.
Chinese.
You think that he is from Korea and you think he's from China? Yes.
No, it's not China.
I think it's China.
China? Is it Korea?
You know, your guess.
Guys, by the way, where are you from?
Portugal.
Maybe he's from Portugal.
No, it's not from
Why?
Can be.
Okay.
I don't think I'd say Korean. I don't think I'd say that. Try Vietnamese?
I think he's from China. Yes?
No, we said
Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Vietnam?
Vietnam. Japanese.
From
Philippine Islands.
Je sais pas, il en a des viennes.
And what's his occupation? What does he do for a living? What do you think?
Baseball.
Baseball player.
Baseball player?
Yeah.
Japanese? Maybe?
Are you sure?
Not entirely, not 100%. Maybe Taiwan?
Yeah, it might be Taiwan.
Korea. Korea.
Korea?
Yeah.
So do they look like Koreans? Yes?
No, for me, they look like for Filipino.
Yeah, I'm thinking like Korean.
Yeah, Korean.
Korea?
Korea?
South Korea or North Korea?
South Korea. South Korean.
Korean.
Yeah.
Is this because they look like K-pop stars?
Yeah, absolutely.
Not the shot in the dark, Japan.
Some respondents, they say that they might be from South Korea. They look like K-pop stars. Don't you think so?
Well, I don't really watch a whole lot of K-pop or listen to a whole lot of K-pop, so...
Mexican.
He's Mexican. You think so? What's your name?
Adelaide.
Adelaide.
Yeah.
Is he handsome? What do you think?
Huh?
Philippines.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very pretty.
You okay?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I was going to say American from how he's dressed. Like,
American?
Yeah, American, yeah. I'm going to guess American.
Does he look like Scottish? You wouldn't say.
I'm going to say South Korean again.
Colombia?
I'm gonna guess... Well, guess here, Portugal.
Не знаю, я казах. Но думаю, что иностранцы могут ошибаться и подумать, что я какой-нибудь индиец или мексиканец, ну или какая-то часть, если я выпучу глаза, подумают, что я из Самоа или Новой Зеландии.
This brutal man.
It's a China.
I think I know Mongolian.
He's Mongolian?
Yeah.
You think so? Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Looks like a Mongolian.
Is it because of his dress?
Yeah, maybe.
That's like Mongolian, like
Oh, maybe Mongolian then.
something like that. I don't know.
We'll just go Mongolian again.
Yeah.
Does he remind of Mongolian?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going Chinese.
Drie keer van Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones.
Wow, Game of Thrones. Do you like him? Is he handsome?
Definitely. Because of the fur. Like warriors. Mongolia?
I want to guess Philippines.
China?
Chinese.
Oh, is he from the 1980s? Like,
What?
1980s, like he's dressed like
Yeah,
20 years ago. I don't know.
Old-fashioned guy.
Yeah, old-fashioned, yeah.
Yeah, like.
He might be Chinese.
Okay, I would say. Ooh, I'm going to say Vietnamese.
I would like to help you. This guy performed La Marchal's song SOS 5 months ago in Paris.
C'est un chanteur ici à Paris qui a chanté SOS.
You know SOS song? La Marchal, Grégory.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So, what do you think? Where is he from?
Korean.
Iranian?
Mongolian for some reason.
Go with that.
So, what do you think?
Mongolian? Oh gosh, I'm going to say Sri Lankan.
So, what do you think?
Comment on dit en anglais?
Cambodia?
I think 'cause maybe it was like facial structure. I think maybe sort of Eastern, but I can't pinpoint whereabouts. I'm guessing maybe Tibet. Maybe I may be wrong.
Tibet.
Tibet.
You mean China?
Not Tibet.
Tibet.
Or is Tibet a country?
Tibet is a part of China.
Oh, I always thought it was a country.
Okay, Tibet. It can be Tibet. Okay. Nigeria.
No, Nigeria.
No.
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay.
He looks Scottish to me. There's something about the way he's smiling that looks Scottish to me.
Wow, she looks Scottish.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Is he handsome?
Yeah, he's pretty handsome. I mean, he's got a nice face. Perhaps Burmese.
Okay.
Japan.
Could be British.
British.
I think so.
Nós trocamos.
Now, I think this is good. This is Korean.
Korean?
Can't even think.
Have no idea.
No idea.
No idea. Japanese.
Japanese.
Yes.
Moi je dis lui l'anglais quand même.
English.
English.
Yeah.
Maybe French.
Maybe pretty good.
This time I want to say maybe Korean.
Is it complicated?
Yeah, very complicated. Bulgaria?
What?
Bulgaria?
Bulgaria?
Yeah, no.
Wow.
No.
Why do you think so? Why do you think so?
No. Thailand?
Everything is possible. So you think he's from Thailand?
Não, esses países aí, tipo asiáticos.
Okay, he's from Asia.
Where is
He's from Asia. It's an Asian country.
Asia?
Yes, it's an Asian country. This is my first help to you. So,
Asian country.
Asian country.
Yes, I know it's Asian
I'm gonna go
country,
for
but
Japan. Japan.
You think he's from Japan?
no.
I think Japan.
Japan.
No, Japan no. No, probably. I'm gonna go for Japan.
Okay, the last in the series help.
Yeah.
He's from post-Soviet country. This country was a part of USSR. You know USSR, Soviet Union.
Yeah.
It's collapsed, but now this country, the country he is from,
Yes,
is independent.
independent.
It's an Asian country.
E tu não sabe.
don't know. I don't know.
You're from Portugal. Ronaldo played in that country. Ronaldo.
No.
I mean that he played in that country within the championship qualifying. Qualifying championship.
Você sabe.
Oh yeah, no.
Perco,
20 pounds are here. They are too close, man. You will get it. You just think about it.
Yes, meninas, já caiu.
Right, I give up.
Okay, guys, I gave you time. You try to do it.
Yeah, it's hard.
First, all these guys I showed you
Yeah.
from one country.
One?
The same country, yeah.
Same?
Yeah, the same. The country what I was talking about.
Yeah.
All these guys, they are from this country. The name of that country is Kazakhstan.
Era lá.
Yes, Kazakhstan.
Era.
Era perto.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, bro.
The only one thing what I want to say is that these guys
Are all from the same country?
from the same country,
yeah, okay,
from one country. They are from Kazakhstan. You know this country?
Yeah, absolutely.
Kazakhstan.
Well, okay, didn't even mention it. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What I want to say you, all these people are from one country.
Okay.
Yes, they are from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan?
Yes, Kazakhstan. So,
Wow,
Yeah.
crazy.
в этом выпуске на фотографиях я показал только казахские лица. Почему? Потому что в одном из предыдущих выпусков мои подписчики, мои зрители попросили, чтобы я показывал только казах. Ну, я и решил в качестве эксперимента в этот раз показать только казахские лица, что вы сами увидели. Это первое. Второе. Как вы уже сами заметили, в этом выпуске иностранцы совсем плохо знают о Казахстане. То есть совсем мало информации у них. И, естественно, допустим, Монголию они называли чаще, чем Казахстан. В Казахстане знают совсем мало, информации почти ноль. Поэтому будем стараться и дальше говорить о Казахстане, показывать нашу прекрасную страну иностранцам вместе с вами. До скорого!